you enjoy the camp? Are you having fun? Yeah?
Yeah.
What have you learned so far?
Some pieces for like orchestra and chamber.
I made some friends. The music's fun. I've got some good parts. I've gotten a lot better at playing in a group, better with my tuning and my shifts and my general confidence when playing, which I was not very good at beforehand.
I've definitely grown as like a human, but also in my technical and like mental ability. I've actually been able not just become a better violinist, but also a better player, which I think is key to being successful in life generally.
We've been working really hard, but it's actually, I actually feel like I've learned so much new like techniques to like practice.